In this video, I'll guide you through how to book family rooms on Agoda. If you're traveling with kids, relatives, or a larger group, finding the right room setup can make a huge difference to how smooth and comfortable your trip feels. We'll go step by step through the process, from your first search to actually confirming the booking so you know exactly what to look for and what to avoid. First, start by going to the Agoda website or opening the Agoda app on your phone or tablet. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination, your check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Be sure to enter the right number of adults and children, including their ages if Agoda asks for them. This helps the platform show you rooms that can genuinely accommodate your group rather than only standard rooms that might be too small. Once you've filled in your basic details, tap or click the search button. Agoda will now show you a list of available properties for your dates. This is where we'll start narrowing things down to family options. Next, open the filters section. Depending on your device, this might appear as a filter button at the top or side of the results, or as an icon you can tap on mobile. When you open the filters, you'll see different ways to refine your search: price range, star rating, property type, and more. Here, you'll want to look specifically for options related to family-friendly stays or larger rooms. Scroll through the filter categories and look for labels like family-friendly, family rooms, connecting rooms, or large rooms. Some versions of the site may group these under amenities or under room features. Turn on the filters that match what you need, such as family-friendly properties or rooms that can host more guests. If you know you need space for a crib, extra bed, or a separate sleeping area for kids, this is also a good moment to filter by room size or look for apartment-style stays that offer multiple bedrooms. The more precisely you filter, the fewer unsuitable options you'll have to scroll through later. After applying your filters, go back to the list of results. Now select a suitable hotel from the filtered options. Take your time here. Click into each property that looks promising and check a few key details. Look at the room types available and read the description for anything labeled as a family room, suite, or large room. Pay attention to the maximum occupancy, whether extra beds are allowed, and whether the price changes when you adjust the number of guests. It's also worth scanning the photos carefully. Look for images that clearly show multiple beds, sofa beds, or separate sleeping spaces. Then scroll down to the guest reviews and search for comments from other families. This can give you a realistic sense of how suitable the hotel is for children, strollers, and group needs. Once you've found a room that fits your family's size, budget, and comfort level, you're ready to book the room. Click on the room option you want, confirm your dates, and double-check the number of guests. Review the cancellation policy, any extra charges for additional guests or breakfast, and whether taxes and fees are included in the final price. When everything looks correct, proceed to the booking page, enter your details, and complete the payment. After you get your confirmation, keep a copy handy on your phone or in your email. That's all it takes to book family rooms on Agoda. Search for hotels, open the filters, focus on family-friendly or large rooms, choose the right property, and then confirm your booking.